I'm gonna get a ramen now, go past Spoon Sports, do that. I'm in Ogikubo, all right, Ogikubo. What did I talk about last night? I talked about not having kids, not wanting to have kids, bro. That's funny as. And honestly, if I have the money to do it later on in life, I'll probably adopt a kid, man, to be honest. I don't know, man, I'm gonna go check out this place. It's called Naruto Kitchen. Do the Naruto run. Shh, inside. Spoon Sports. Alright, well, that didn't work. I'm not allowed in the workshop. Right. So they didn't let me in. They said they don't do tools, so I think I might be at the wrong one. Oh, Spoon S2000. Alright, guys, we're inside the Type 1 workshop. This is my dream, bro. Imagine this. But look how mad these cars are. I can't believe they work up on a second level. Alrighty, guys, we back. It's a new day. Just left the room. It's about 12:30, so it's pretty late. I'm gonna get a quick feed. I want to get like a start off with the ramen, bro. I'm gonna start off with the ramen today because I might get a pizza tonight. I feel like Domino's, bro. I feel like normal Aussie food, like Australian food or something. So I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get a ramen now, go past Spoon Sports, do that, and then see what else we do for the day, man. I'm pretty like I'm pretty done what I need to do. I'm gonna come back later. I'm gonna come back to Japan and get the rest of the content that I didn't get, just because I didn't book this trip in properly, bro. Like the Nissan factory I wanted to go to, the history, like the historic museum, I wanted to go check that out. But you need to book like advance, and all the spots were taken, so I'm actually burning. I missed that one. So I thought you could just rock up and just pay to get in, like the Toyota Museum. But with the with that one, you got to book like pretty far in advance. I need to work out where I'm going. I think I'm going to Shibuya. 2 seconds, let me work out where I'm going. Ogikubo Station. That's where we're gonna go. Alright, I go to Shinjuku Station first. Alright, Shinjuku. We go to Yamato Line 2. It's chockers right now. Everyone just got off the train. Platform 2. Look how chockers it is, bro. Everyone coming off the trains. Right, I'm gonna stop recording. There's too many people. Actually, I'm gonna keep recording. Look how many people are just coming off the freaking platform. This is just like Melbourne, bro. It's like a little bit worse than Melbourne. Melbourne's the same, bro. It's chockers. But yeah, that's what it's like in Japan every day. It's too much. Can't wait to get back to Australia. Or Thailand, bro. Thailand's even not this hectic, bro. I'm gonna post up around here. Post up here. Yeah. Where am I? I have no idea where I am. I'm in Ogikubo, alright, Ogikubo, brother. So let's try to get some ramen before we go to Spoon Sports. This street looks mad, but it looks like there's some food here, so we'll have a look. We'll suss out this street. It's not as busy here, which is good. So we should be able to duck in somewhere. Yeah, put some lip balm on, but my lips are a bit dry. Yoshinoya pepper lunch. Never get pepper lunch. Nah, ramen. I want something fatty. I had a bloody kebab last night at midnight though, or 2 o'clock last night, this morning. And a beer, bro. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, but we did it. All right. What did I talk about last night? I talked about not having kids, not wanting to have kids, bro. That's funny as. That episode will probably rustle a lot of feathers, man. A lot of people won't agree with me because they just have their mind in one direction, bro. Man, I'm happy. I'm happy being single, bro, with being a dog dad. My dog, man, is all I need, bro. But at the same time, when that guy crosses the rainbow bridge, bro, I don't know what's gonna happen to me, man. That's gonna like destroy me, completely destroy me, bro. Like, just thinking about it, bro, it makes me want to cry, bro, because like I love that dog so much, man. But I'm content, brother. I'm content with just being the cool uncle, bro. The uncle that never sees, he's never around, but like, I just pop out every now and again. Got all the mad stories, and that's it, bro. That'll be me. And the thing is, right, if all this stuff pops off that I'm doing, I'll have all my friends' kids in my will too, you know what I mean? Like, they're gonna be well off anyway. So for me, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy being single, off the grid uncle. Comes all the stories, all the wisdom for the kids. I'm happy doing that, bro. And honestly, if I have the money to do it later on in life, I'll probably adopt a kid, man, to be honest. Because there's heaps of kids that, like, it's like dogs, right? Like, or animals, right? That get abandoned or get put back into the shelter. Everyone wants to adopt a dog. It's like, why don't you adopt a kid that was being neglected by their parents, bro? There's parents out there that don't want to be parents, but had kids either by accident and giving them up to the orphanage, bro. Like, I'm going to go rescue a kid, bro, you know? Like, that'd be me. Worst case. Oh, I'm going to go this way, bro. I need food. I need food. I don't know why there's no signs with ramens on it. I only just walk into the ones with ramen pictures on it. If there's no ramen pictures, I don't know what to read, bro, so. Oh, video games, did you? I gotta play some games in there. I think I'm just going to stop. I'm gonna stop somewhere soon. What's this? See, no ramen. No ramen. Surely we're gonna find ramen soon, bro. It's fun, isn't it? Like, we're in Japan and I struggle to find ramen. Or maybe it's everywhere and I just can't read English. I can't read Japanese, so I'm like, there's no ramen. Oh, I'm gonna stop recording until I find something. Stop wasting battery. Right, we're on the main strip now. Cigarette machines, look at that, bro, $5. Cigarettes here are like $6. $6, bro. How cheap is that? It's crazy, man. I don't smoke ciggies, but like the prices in Australia, it's like 50, 60 bucks, bro, for a pack of Winfields, I heard. Crazy, bro. Back in my day, lad, it was freaking 20 bucks or something for a pack of 20s or 25s, bro. Or cheaper, bro. It was like 11 bucks, wasn't it, for a pack of 20s, boys? Back in the day? Remember that? Remember that? I don't know, man. I'm gonna go check out this place. It's called Naruto Naruto Kitchen. I think that's enough for me to go there, bro. Go do the Naruto run. Shh, inside. Ready? Go. Naruto runs into the kitchen. Do a Naruto run. That's it. That's the Japanese nudie run. Naruto run. What do we got here, lads? Oh, chicken set. I want ramen, bro. This ain't it. This ain't it, lad. I think it's like down another 5 minutes down that road over there. But hopefully I can find something. Maybe I can find ramen on the way there. I don't know, every like little district in Japan has like its own little unique style. You know what I mean? Like you go somewhere else, you might get like a different vibe. This is like really. This reminds me of like Nagoya a little bit, because Nagoya doesn't have all the lights like Tokyo. You know what I mean? And Osaka. Oh no, Osaka does have lights actually. Alright, I'm gonna keep walking. Alright guys, we're approaching. However, the garage door's closed. Hopefully they're open, man. Spoon Sports. That's mad, bro. We're here. So how do we get in? Let's try to get in, eh? Let's have a look. Imagine if I get shoot off. Alright, well that didn't work. I'm not allowed in the workshop. They said they don't let people in the workshop anymore. So that sucks. But we made it. We made it to the workshop. Oh, that sucks, man. There has to be another one then, bro. Right. So they didn't let me in. They said that they don't do tours, so I think I might be at the wrong one. I'm gonna go to Type 1 up here. It's about a 12-minute walk. And we're gonna go check that one out because that's got like a garage and stuff, so that might be the better one. So I'll go check that out and yeah, I'll see you in 10 minutes. Well, you won't see me in 10 minutes because you won't be in the walk with me, but I'll see you in 10 minutes. Actually, no, I'll just see you in the next clip. Let's go up and have a look. See what we can, oh. Look at this spoon. Yeah, the boys. Take a photo. Spoon. The Spoon Workshop. All right, let's go upstairs and see what we can take a tour. And hopefully we get to go in here now. Oh, Spoon S2000. Oh, wow. All right, guys, we're inside the Type 1 workshop. They let us in to film some content in here, so I'm gonna just suss out. This is the S2000, the Spoon Sports S2000. with the Yokohama tyres on it. That's beautiful, isn't it? Look at this. Ooh, what is this? I have no idea what it is. Oh, look at this. This is the lift that goes up and down. Takes it to the first and second level. That's cool. And then here we've got the Civic, Spoon Sports Civic. That's nice, isn't it? Look at how clean is this workshop, man. This, beautiful. It's a very nice workshop. Got the slicks, rocker covers. Nice. Look at this S2000 though. On the jack. On the hoist, sorry. Oh, that is sexy, man. What's this motor? B16? Looks like a B16 or B18. Look at those, man. Another Type R. This one on the top here looks good too. Look at these brakes. I love this workshop, how clean it is, man. I don't want to get too close to them working. But look at this EK. This is the Spoon Sports EK Civic. This is my dream, bro. Imagine this. That's sexy. This S2, but this looks good. Pretty small workshop, but it's neat, man. It's clean. Everyone's just doing their thing. But look how mad these cars are. I can't believe they work up on a second level. So every day they bring in the cars and they just drive it around and put it on the hoist. That's crazy, huh? All right, that was it from the first floor or the second floor. I don't know if we'll get into the bottom floor actually, but we'll just have a look in the windows anyway. Because, yeah, they look... There's another clean workshop down here. Not much in there though. There's a Civic. But yeah, I can't believe I'm actually here. I've always watched this this workshop in videos, you know what I mean? So it's good to be here in person. I'm very happy. I'm satisfied, man. I can't believe I thought we weren't gonna make it in. Like I thought that was it. Spoon Sports was that was it, no more. But yeah, we ended up coming here to Type 1 and getting inside to do some content. So yeah, alright guys, I'm probably gonna head back to Tokyo, or it's my side of town, and maybe go to Akihabara or something, and yeah, get some content there. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. See yous.